A lot going on this week as we close in on the last 6 weeks of the project. So Jim is installing the septic system. The septic tank and the pump tank are in. Next step is sand filter and then leach field. And Jake installed all of the top rail of the white oak on the exterior decks. And really exciting, the exterior chimney is complete, and I think it looks beautiful. The guys did a great job. Took a lot longer than anybody thought, but it really looks good. And Israel and his guys are back and have started putting siding on. So they start with the sheets of hardy board, fiber cement, and then they trim out the windows and doors, and then they add the battens. The only place that they have done battens so far is on the other side of the garage from this wall. So should see a lot of progress this coming week on the siding and the septic system. And the stone guys are moving inside to start the interior chimney, because it's supposed to get down into the 30s for the whole week next week. And on the interior, all of the cabinets are installed. So that's the wine bar, the kitchen. We only have one pendant light up because the other one came incomplete. We've got to return it, get replaced. All the bathrooms are done and the lower level. These were installed and then removed so that the guys doing the masonry chimney don't mess them up. And all of the doors are installed, and the newel posts and railings for the stairway are done. Jake's really moving along, so we'll start trimming out doors and windows and baseboard this coming week. So yeah, lots going on as we close in on the end.